Mastering pattern and texture. Mixing. Personal style tips for women. Learn easy and confident tips for mixing patterns and textures in your wardrobe with personal style ideas and inspiration to elevate your look. Mixing patterns and textures. Personal style tips you'll actually love. Hey there! Today I want to chat about something that a lot of people feel a bit nervous about: mixing patterns and textures in your wardrobe. It's like this magic recipe for taking your outfits from so-so to seriously stunning, but it can seem tricky at first. I'm here to share some easygoing, practical personal style advice that'll help you play with patterns and textures confidently and create a look that's uniquely yours. First off, if you've ever looked at someone's outfit and thought, how on earth did they pull that off? It's probably because they nailed the balance between different patterns and textures without overthinking it. That's the trick, really. Finding harmony and mixing different elements without feeling overwhelmed. Start simple. The foundation of successful pattern mixing. The best personal style tips for women who want to mix patterns is to start small. If you're new to this, try pairing a classic stripe with a subtle floral or a delicate polka dot with a houndstooth. The key is to keep the scale in mind. Pair larger, bolder patterns with smaller, more delicate ones. For example, a chunky leopard print scarf with a soft, thinly striped blouse can create a contrast that feels put together rather than chaotic. Scale matters. Big patterns next to tiny patterns usually complement each other nicely. Color palette. Keep your colors in the same family or with a few shared hues so everything feels intentional. Start with neutral bases. Pair your patterns and textures with neutral pieces like a white tee or classic denim to balance out the look. Play around with textures for extra depth. Now, onto texture. This is where you can have so much fun. Think about velvet, tweed, leather, lace, denim, or even a chunky knit. Mixing textures allows you to add dimension and interest without relying solely on color or print. Imagine wearing a silky blouse with a chunky knit cardigan or a smooth leather jacket over a soft cotton dress. It's about contrasting tactile experiences. Pair soft and hard textures for an edgy yet feminine vibe. Mix matte with shiny fabrics to catch the light in a flattering way. Layer textures in the same color family for subtle elegance. Patterns and texture tips for real life. Here are some down-to-earth personal style ideas to make mixing patterns and textures feel less like a fashion puzzle and more like a playground. Anchor your outfit with a solid piece. A black skirt or jeans can ground a crazy print combo. Use accessories wisely. If your clothes are loud, keep your shoes and bags simple, or vice versa. Trust your gut. Sometimes you just feel a look works, and that's your best personal style guide. If you want a full personal style inspiration collection that gently pushes you towards affordable luxury and confident outfit choices, check out Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow. It's packed with personal style help that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their wardrobe without spending a fortune. Buy now and discover affordable luxury style that fits every budget. Mia's guide breaks down style myths and gives you actionable tips for mixing patterns, textures, and colors with ease. After all, fashion should be fun, right? Your personal style is your playground. Remember, personal style is all about expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes, because that's how you learn. Mixing patterns and textures isn't rocket science. It's like a casual conversation between your clothes, where some act loud, some play backup, but together they tell your story. So go ahead, have fun with your wardrobe, try that unexpected combo, and make your personal style uniquely yours. Thanks for hanging out and chatting about these personal style tips for women who want to explore pattern and texture mixing. Until next time, keep styling smart and feeling fabulous.